Did you know that you can get some of the taxes you do pay on your employment income as tax reliefs? The Income Tax Act 896 of 2015 provides reliefs for employment to reduce their tax burdens. And some of these tax reliefs are marriage reliefs. If you are married, you are entitled to 1,200 Ghana cedis in reliefs, and only one of the couple can claim this relief. You just have to present your marriage certificate as proof of your marriage. And the next relief will be child education relief. So if you have children you take care of at a school, or if you take care of a child at a recognized institution in Ghana, then you are entitled to 600 Ghana cedis in child education relief, up to a maximum of 3 children. So each child will get you 600 Ghana cedis in relief. And if you have aged dependents, you have aged dependent relief. Have aged who depend on you, then you can get a relief of 1,000 Ghana cedis per the aged, and this is granted to a maximum of two aged who depend on you, and they should be 60 plus years. They should be 60 plus years, and the documents that will be needed will be their Ghana card to verify that they are really aged and they depend on you. And also we do have educational relief. Educational relief is for the taxpayer who is having a development in his or her professional, vocational, skill training, and this relief is up to a maximum of 2,000 Ghana cedis. So depending on the amount you've paid, it will be assessed to know how much you will get in the educational relief. The documents you will need will be your receipt to indicate proof of payment, and also an admission letter. So these are some of the few tax reliefs. There are more. If you would like to know how to assess or how to benefit from these tax reliefs, you will have to download the tax relief form from the GRA portal. Fill the form you submit to your HR for your HR to endorse. You send it back to your tax office where you do make payments for your payee, and a tax relief card will be issued to you, which will be given to your salary processor for him or her to implement this tax reliefs, and you get to know in effect the taxes you are supposed to pay for that particular month has reduced based on the reliefs granted to you by the GRA. So this is for us, and it is illegal. Make sure you do benefit from these reliefs, and it is done yearly. So make sure every year you do benefit from it, because if you have children, if you are married, if people depend on you, it's a lot of burden, and this is to reduce your tax burden by a little. So take advantage of it, and don't forget to reach out if you still need guidance or assistance.